Okay, so this is your media. These are all your sources: AM, FM, auxiliary, your USBs. This is Sirius XM. To your controls, you have heated seats, vented seats, heated steering wheel. There's 3 different settings: high, medium, low. This is your mirror dimmer for your rearview mirror. You can deploy the steps down from the inside. Go into backup camera. You can go to it without going in reverse. You can also zoom in with a magnifying glass. To climate, it's dual temperature climate. You can also mess with it down here on the sides without going to the screen. You can customize the screen by holding the apps for 3 seconds and dragging. You can also drag them down here and drag them from the top to the bottom. So this is how you connect the phone. You'll go to the bottom right here where it says phone, get your phone, turn on Bluetooth, click Bluetooth, scroll down, and on the screen you'll click yes, and you'll wait for, on the available devices, you'll wait for Uconnect to pop up. There's Uconnect right there. You'll click pair. And you click OK on your phone, click yes, and then OK. And now your phone is connected.